Ooh, beautiful. Well, look. FE Nation in the house. Moon and Jupiter's getting close. That's Jupiter right there. There's the moon. I don't know who might join me. I know it's late, guys and gals. Moon. Jupiter. Hello. Thanks for joining me. Whoever it is. Comments should be on if you want to say something. Let's see what we got here. It's going to be a great picture. Bam. Ain't a cloud in the sky, but that's what it looks like. I know it's late. Let's see what we get. All right. Hopefully somebody will join shortly. I gotta adjust my camera, get Jupiter in focus. Hey. Right, I got 6 people watching. Hello, everyone. Moon and Jupiter are getting close. Almost like a conjunction. Anyway, I'm fixing to focus in on Jupiter. Oh, we got 11 going on. Hey, everyone. Let's see. That's my focus right here. It's coming toward me. There we go. Whoops. Let's see. Jupiter and its moons. Look, I'm not even. Let's see how far I'm away. Let's take a picture. Yeah. I'm not even that far zoomed in. Look at that. You're already 440 million miles away. Voiceover, Will. I'm in Knoxville. Well, right outside of Knoxville anyway. How's it going? Glad you could join us. Here's what I do to everybody that joins my channel. And you are now standard moderator, my man. So anyway, I'm close to the highway, of course. Can't control that. It is as is. Hang on a second. Let me get my camera in focus here. There we go. I need to tighten this up just a little bit. I don't know why. Oh, that's way loose. I don't remember making it that loose before. That is not good. What happened there? Let me readjust. Yeah. Here. Nope. I'm going to turn this thing off. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe my battery's low. I have to put a new... No, I got good battery. What's going on with that? Oh, there it is right there. Jupiter. Yeah. That's my focus, everyone. I got 30 days of Jupiter coming out. And that little, there's a little star over here to the right, or that one. It's one of Jupiter's moons. Supposedly moons. Look at that. There you go. And see how far they're apart? That top one. Only showing 3. The other one might be behind Jupiter itself. But why is this side of Jupiter lit up if the sun is in the opposite direction? To the left, where the sun's coming from. None of that should be lit up if the sun was shining on it. So, anyway. Thank you. I appreciate it. I had 11. Now there's only 3 people watching, so I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. Now I'm going to do some moonshots here in a minute, too. And Pleiades is real close. The moon's like straight above me almost. It's crazy. Holy moly, what happened? Oh, ha. I'm going to take a picture of this. See what's going on. Nope, not like that, I'm not. No. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I gotta check my settings. And that's, you can see the moons. Get away. Get. Anyway, all right. It was a rough day at work. Not too bad. All the college students. There's Mars over there. Let's see if I can zoom in on it from here. Yeah. What? What's going on, Raising Cane's? Yeah, Raising Cane's. What's going on? I had you as a moderator here. How y'all doing this evening? Let's see what's going on. I'm gonna get in there close. See what's up. Look, man. I'm not even zoomed in all the way. Look at that. Yeah, I'm not even zoomed in all the way. You know? Look at that. The phone's not focusing in on what I'm seeing. There's lights in the sky. Let's see. Here we go. Bam. Yep. See everything. I'm fixing to focus on the moon. Give me a second. All right, here we go. Here's the moon. It's gonna come into my screen in the bottom left. Man, it's so bright. The sun's gonna lighten it up, boy. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. I got this thing turned down. I'll turn it down a little bit more. There we go. Maybe that'll help. Sometimes I capture things going across the moon. This thing is like, oh, it's so bright. Look at that. I got to wear my sunshades at night. There we go. So you can see what I'm looking at. It's going to move to the right of the screen. Kind of riding up a little bit. Hopefully we can see something. That's what I'm looking for. Anyway. I'm ready to zoom in on that thing. Man, I'm like almost straight up in the air to see it. It's crazy. It's almost like right above me. I'll show you the camera here in a minute. Oh. It's hard to adjust it sometimes with one hand. Oh, especially when it gets straight up above you. Give me a second. Here we go. Sorry about that, folks. It's hard to adjust with one hand. Hey, there's that smiley face. Look like he's smoking a big old fatty. Hey, Mojo Shop. What's up, brother? Glad you could join me, man. I was doing a little view of the moon here and Jupiter, getting my Jupiter shots, because you know what I told you. Let's zoom right in. Let's really see what's going on. Whoops. What's up with that? Now, let's just watch. Oh, look at that. That cool. Look at them craters. Look at that. It looks like it's got a... I'm trying to zoom in on that. Let's see. Right there. See that shadow? Sun's to the left of me. Coming this way. That's why the shadows are like that. Look at that. That's creepy looking, huh? And sometimes it's better just to watch through this thing and really see what's going on. What we got here? What do we have moving here? Oh, y'all see that? Look at that. See that right there? What is that? See it moving across? That's what I'm saying. This is what I get. Look at that. What is that? See it? It's like a star cluster. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Hang on. Where'd it go? Where'd that thing go? Man, I hate when my camera turns off. But y'all seen it, right? Oh, there it is. What the fuck is that? There's something on my lens. Wasn't nothing on my lens. What the fuck was that? What the hell? Did y'all see that? Nothing was on my lens. I just cleaned it right before I brought it out here. Where'd that thing go? Hey, Jonathan. How you doing? Mojo Shop, I heard that, man. That's awesome. Hey, Run Dragon, what's up? Yeah, did y'all see that? I don't know what the hell that was. And I cleaned my lens. I know I didn't have nothing on my lens. It just appeared. We've been sitting here watching it. I didn't do anything. Okay. What the hell was that? Hey, Iron FE, how you doing? Man, I love your shows. Yeah, I don't know what it was, Iron FE. This makes my, I'm gonna make you as a moderator. I make everybody on my channel a moderator. Yeah, so I don't know what that was. So you seen it too, Iron FE. So that's good because, like I said, you know, on your channel, there's a couple things I'd like to talk to you about. I need to talk with Melodome too. Me and Austin, we're gonna have a talk. And boy, I gotta talk to Boston Ray. Love him. Whoops. Yeah, let me see. Let me see what's really going on. Give me a look. I don't know if y'all can see the camera. Let me throw a light to it. Now watch. It's almost straight up and down, man. Look at it. It's probably about a 94 degrees or 84 degrees or so, I would say. And now I've got to turn it more up into the air. So give me a second. Let me see what's really going on. Look at how the sky looks. Now that's the noble clouds being lit up around it, man. See that? That's what that is. That's the noble clouds. Okay. Let me adjust, because I can't see that little star that's there. I'm gonna put my hand in front of this. There you go. You can't see. Let me make sure that's not. No, that's not moisture. That's definitely not moisture. I don't know what the fuck that is. That's what just passed in front of the moon. That's a fucking star. Okay. Yeah, I see it now. You see that? That star is what we just witnessed, everybody. Hey, Boston Ray. Hey, man. We got to talk, brother. I love you. Yeah. We just got a star. That star right there went in front of that moon. That's the one that's close to it right now. And it was moving really, really quick. Now look, if I go up towards that angle, and that's the angle it came out of right there. Right there, that's it. Okay, right there. There's a star. Hang on. There's a star. Now look at the angle. Up that way, right in front of the moon, and that's what, okay. I just witnessed a star, that star, whatever star that is, right there, travel in front of that moon. That tells me a lot, because that's where it was coming from. Look at the angle, right there, guys. It was coming down and around. Right there it is, that's the one. That's the star, right there. We just witnessed it. Witnessed it. I got it on tape. Now I see it. Now I see it. This is awesome. This is what I was trying to tell everybody. Look, right there it is. You can't see it. You can't see it right there. I'm going to back out. Right there's the moon. And that's the angle it was coming down. And you can't see it. Right there it is. Bam! Star in front of the moon, bitch. Get you some. Get you some of that. Look, let's zoom in on that fucker. Let's see what the fuck that is. Is that a balloon? Is that a star? I'm trying to zoom in on it. Hang on. Nope, that is a star, yo. It's not a balloon. It's not a balloon. It's still being lit up by the moon. You can see the light on top of it. That is it. Or maybe that's that little moon they was talking about. Wonder if it's that little moon. Oh my groceries. They're correct if that's the case. That's it right there. That's what I just saw. Is that little moon? Is that what we're witnessing? Look, you know it came from that direction. Is that moon? Is that moon? Because I witnessed it go in front of the moon. Y'all did too. The little moon, yep. That's it, Boston Ray. Hey, dude, I was showing it, and everybody else is seeing it. Hey, Sue Finelli, what's up, girl? Hey, hey, hey. I just witnessed it. Unbelievable. That little moon in front of the freaking star. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Get you some. Get you some of that. All right, so. Now, I know they watch me. And like I said, twice already I've got stars before they were talking about this little moon in front of the moon, twice. One time I had over 300 people watching. Second time, I don't know, there was 80, 77 or 80 or something like that. So, this time I got 7 plus, maybe, that's what it says, 7. So, is that little moon? Or what I'm telling you is that there's stars in front of the moon that puts them not far away. I think it's stars in front of the moon. They listening to me. Ha ha ha. And because like I said, I got witnesses on it. Like I said, one time, like I said, I had 500 people watching. Or whatever it was. So, we got a quinky-dink going on. And that camera's like straight up and down almost, man. It will be here in just a second as soon as I flip it. Hang on a second. I got to flip it over, okay? Let me cut you open just to watch me bleed. See, there's nothing there. Nothing on my screen, man. So we witnessed either that small so-called moon or slash that's a star. I'm betting on the star theory more than anything else, to be honest with you. So, because I caught it before they even said anything about there, and then somebody said, "Oh, they don't see it. Nobody's ever witnessed it." And shoot, you know what? I've been filming the moon for a long time. Look at my channel. I've been showing you, and Jupiter's just as close as the moon. All the wandering stars are for sure. That's facts. That is a fact, Jack. So, yeah. Show me the moon. Look at it. It's right above me. I'm looking like almost straight up. Woo. And I just even had to adjust my camera up. So let's go back at it. Let's go look at it. I don't want to keep y'all waiting here too long. Let's see. I'm glad I was out here filming. Woo. Let's zoom in, baby. See if we see anything else. Oh, wait a minute. Do we see anything else? What the fuck is that? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There's another object. See it? It's right there. Watch it move. Oh, there's another object. What the fuck is that? Ha ha. Look, there's another object right there. See it? That's two of them. See it right there moving? What's going on with that? What does that look like, yo? What in the fuck is that? No, that is something on the lens. That is. But that other one wasn't. I don't know what the fuck that is. That other one wasn't. Okay, did I get that off? What the fuck? Okay, yeah, that's I gotta clean my lens again. Hang on. There's no way. Because that other one, you could see the star. It is definitely, when I was moving the camera and stuff. Yeah, no, that's different. Yeah, that's something on my lens. I can tell. That's different than what we was looking at. Totally different. I gotta wipe my lens off. I gotta go get a napkin, yo. Some cloth. Some Terry cloth. Yeah, now that's definitely something on my shit. I gotta clean that off. I don't know how the fuck that happened. I'm gonna have to look at my film footage. Cause yeah, I watched it and there wasn't nothing on there. Now there's something. And it's got me all fucked up. Yeah, but you could tell underneath the moon right there, that's the object that we saw. Totally different than what was on there. So it's cold outside, but I'm not under a tree. I'm close to a tree. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, so that's gone now. I see that. There's that moon right there. That's the one I was talking about, see? Now it's different. See how it's moving in the camera? That's the one we caught in front of the moon. Right there. That little object right there. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it's not that far away from the moon. It came in that direction. Yeah, that's different. I don't know what that other one. I know there's the other. Yeah, right there. There it is. That's the one that we just caught in front of the moon, bro. Ladies and germs. Yeah, that's still there, right? Let's see, right there. That's it. Okay, so that's what we saw. I wanted to verify, so I was like, I know I was going in the same angle that it came across, and there it is. Now you can see it moving independently in the background, not sticking like that other thing was on the camera. So, what do we have here? Any thoughts? Boss Ray, I'm staying on it. Nancy cleans all your lenses for you. Nice. Yeah. It's cold when it's bright. It's just cold outside. Boston Ray, man, up in the mountains 3 days ago when I went to North Kakalaki, because everybody's got to go through a lot of the drivers are, because they can't go down 40, so they just go across the mountain there. Well, I went across the mountain. I went to Sylvan, North Carolina, because that's one of my closest banks that I have, for one of the banks I have. And man, I tell you what, there was 3 inches of snow on top of the mountains. I went up there to the highest peak, Clingman's Dome, and the clouds were on right there. You once you went up so far, you was in the clouds, man. It was crazy. It's like 6,600 feet or something like that above sea level. That's where I took them pictures from. And man, they said that this mountain range was here. So I looked it up on Google Map. And them mountain ranges that I took pictures of, bro, was not on the Google Map. The sun lit it up from the backside. But it not really the back. It wasn't totally set yet, because as it further got away, then them clouds must have been 1,000 miles away. Easily 2,000 miles away. That's just the clouds. So, but there was a mountain range in there that's not on the Google Map. So I'm trying to figure out what's in that direction, because we went to Vegas, we flew northwest. We should have been flying southwest from out of Nashville. So why was we doing that? We was way up there, man. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so we know we got that object in front of the moon. It's moving away from the moon at a good pace. So, what a coinky dink. I'm just saying. So anyway, meanwhile, back at the camp, I'm gonna go back to Jupiter, yo. Hey, and you know what I didn't have to do? I didn't readjust my camera on the focus or anything. I didn't even have to refocus it. Now Jupiter, that's one of Jupiter's moons right there. That one, yeah. So I didn't really have to refocus anything. But I need to zoom in a little bit tighter. Where'd it go? Wow, it just disappeared. Oh, there it is. Let's take a picture of that. And Jupiter's my main focus. as you can see it the way I see it. Lots of love, Ray Nancy. That's right, Sue Finelli. You tell him. Yeah, Boss Ray, I know. Pensacola's still warm, but it does get cold down there. I seen it snow down there, man. When I was down there working, and then the Katrina blew through. I was down there, and then Katrina blew through, and everything we worked on and out there on where the Floribama is. Man, that's a beautiful island out there, man. But yeah, the waves were like 14 foot tall. They pouring in 20 feet. They washed out the first two or up to the third floor of all the stuff that we had already had repaired from the last hurricane. It was crazy. We had to start from scratch. But, so, meanwhile, back to camp. Sue Finelli, we definitely miss you at Flattoberfest. Wish you could have made it. We had a great time. We was digging in the mud. There's a song by, the artist's name is Dorothy. It's called Mud. Y'all need to listen to it. It's awesome. And a group called Set It Off, and it's called Fake Ass Friends. I don't know if you ever heard of that. I got a few of those. But anyway, so what we witnessed today, oh yeah, is either the little moon, the little Nancy, what's it called? You can't swim, I'll throw you in with the sharks. It's all good. Little Ray Nancy is cleaning lenses, and yeah, I know, man. You was trying to get a ride up there. I know, man. If I was west of here, I'd have dropped by and picked your ass up. It wouldn't have been nothing. But you're getting your license back. You don't even need a license to travel. You need to listen to Burn the Corporate Fiction, man. You'll understand. Shout out to them. And Sovereign Soul. Shout out to Sovereign Soul. Jaronism. Witsit. Karen B. Dr. Law, Iron Realm Media, Zach, Walt, Josh, you know, Iron FE for being here. Thank y'all very much for coming in. Sue Finelli. Brian Stavely, the Mandela Effect man himself. You know, I got so many people that I'm sub to that, man, I get so many notifications. And I try to share everybody's stuff, and I try to watch. I'm so into it, man, I don't even watch TV anymore. I see a little news flash every now and again. You know, it'll pop up here and there. And I watch that NTD news. It's pretty good. They're Trump fans, you can tell. They always show his stuff. No, they show actually they're not too biased. I don't know. But yeah, we just witnessed something in front of the sun. I mean the moon. Not the sun, the moon. The moon that's lit up by the sun. How about that? So, there's some more stars to the right of it right here. See that one? That one's going to be in front of it very, very shortly. Those two, there's two right there. It's moving pretty quick It's not too bad though. But if anybody, it's really Jupiter. You know, it's different than the other ones, of course. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that one star right there, which is one of Jupiter's moons, that one, and there's that one. No, wait a minute. That's the one that was in front of the moon a minute ago. No, that's not the one. Where did it go? I was trying to pick it up on my camera phone here, but I can't. Look at that moon, man. There ain't a cloud in the sky, but it looks cloudy because that's the noble gases up high. Yeah, there ain't a cloud in the sky nowhere. It's been cloudless all day. I didn't get off work till like 1 o'clock in the morning. I figured I had to come out here and see what the fuck was going on. Ha ha. And, yeah, like I said, there's Mars right there. Jupiter, of course. The moon. See, my P900 picks up that other stuff that this won't pick up. So. Let's see what's going on. Let's focus in on Jupiter. Give me a second. Hey, Tony Drink. How's it going? Glad you could join us. Thank you, Jonathan. I appreciate that. You posted it. Thank you, Boston Ray. Let's get Tony taken care of here. Hang on a second. You know what I do, folks? Hey, Valley Parks is in the fucking house. Everybody say hi to Valley. Hell yeah. What's up, girl? Hey, Valley. I filmed something in front of the moon, and I have a lot of people that witnessed it. And then I had something on the lens, and I wiped that off, and we resolved that issue. That was after the fact, though. Definitely after the fact. I'm not really too close to the trees. There's trees right here, but I'm out away from the trees. I shouldn't have had any sap or anything. Lordy, what are you gonna do? That is what we need to know. Valley, I did. I don't know what it was, other than maybe it was the little moon, but I think it's the stars. Because I got some more stars. If I can see them here. The camera, there it is right there. That one will be passing right in front of the moon very shortly. Probably about 2 hours from now. Not really shortly, maybe 2 hours. So, yeah, I know, Boss Ray, you seen it. I know you did. Valley Parks, it was aliens. Ha 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 ha. You're funny, Boston Ray. That's awesome, man. No, yeah. Valley Parks, well, they said the little moon. Well, like I was telling them, I'm going to just go ahead and say it. I don't care. I've already caught 2 different objects on 2 different lives in front of the moon. Now, this is my 3rd object. Star. That's what it was, Valley Parks. Or it's that little moon they was talking about. They didn't say the little moon until after I did my lives of catching stars in front of the moon. I don't know, am I wrong? By the way, this is not for kids. I'm just saying. I don't know, Valley Parks. Maybe you need to call me when we end the live stream. That is a... I'm thinking about it, yo. Huh. Well, you know, when I was on Iron Rail Media the other day, you know, Have No Fear. That's what I was telling Zach and Walt and Josh and Cammy. And I told him everything is close. Dave Wise says the same thing. 50 miles, less than 50 miles probably. Sun and the moon, everything. It's less than 50 miles above us. I've been watching high altitude film footage and shit, man, it's right across from it. Just a little bit of 2 or 3 degrees angle up. Because we all know it's flat. So, I'm just thinking about it, yo. I don't know if anybody can prove me wrong. What I'm saying and what I film and what I see and what I'm showing y'all. And y'all seen it. So, something to ponder on. You know, I could continue to sit here and take pictures and show y'all stuff. Maybe that's what I need to fucking do so we understand what's going on. No, but I'm watching this other, these other 2 stars are they're getting closer now. I mean, it's part of the situation. Maybe they're not getting closer. Maybe they're going the other way. But that other thing was going the opposite. Yeah, that's the weirdest part about it. Is how it was traveling. I don't think it was a balloon because and the moon's traveling fast, of course, 1,000 miles an hour. We're not traveling at 1,000 miles an hour. We're not spinning any fucking where. That motherfucker's cruising. So, in the electrical realm. And just like I should have told them, and I meant to say something when I was on with them, that I think the moon, it's like the craters on Earth, the big ones. And I brought this up on a couple other shows, and they were thinking about it. And even in the Bible, it talks about the stars falling and everything, right? Well, that's why we potholed with craters. Certain things fall. The big craters is the moon. Anything that's a mile in diameter, at the bottom, when we lose our electric field, electromagnetic, between our Gaussian plates, as Zach calls it, I think. Gaussian plates, is that what it is? Good times for all. When we lose that moon falls, hits the earth. We're negative, it's negative. When we lose it, it falls. And then when and the electricity kicks back on, or whatever it does, electromagnetic field, it kicks back on, because I heard there was people that talked about when there was no moon, even though the Bible says there's always been a moon. So I don't know. We went back in the day, so we don't understand we know that a lot of stuff, because if it was founded, what's the root of founded? Found. So it was found. And I think that moon hits the ground. Probably what caused the deluge, it dropped in the ocean. flashed up, you know, something a mile wide or so. 'Cause I don't think the moon's any bigger than that. Maybe mile, 2 miles at the max. It's just the atmosphere makes it look big, but all the high altitude and film footage, it fucker looks small. It's never big, it's always small. And it's just floating up there. And it does its thing, sun shines on it. I don't know, I could be wrong. But everybody's got a theory. Who we got in the house? Hey, Level Plane Productions, how are you? I'm going to take care of you right here. Hang on a second. Okay, we're going to do this because I do this to everybody. There you go. You're a standing moderator. Matrix break. Matrix break. Okay. I'm going to make you I ain't got my glasses on. Need my glasses. There we go. Gotcha. Standard moderator. Yeah, how big they look? Because they're very close, brother. Level Plane Productions are very, very close. Everything's very close. Hey, Warning Skydome's in the house. What's up, brother? Hey, what's good, Warning Skydomes, is I caught something in front of the moon that had a lot of witnesses. And everything's very close. We're sitting outside of the suburb and the quiet in the air, and the moon is out, clear sky, but weird part is the overhang is cracking just like it does when the sun rises. Huh, okay. Checked the founded dates, observing and earlier building, went into a while. They found my whole area around 1919. Right, yeah, they found it. Oh, yeah, you're welcome. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, 4 trillion light years away, my dick. Ha ha ha. Excuse my French. Did I say that out loud? Ha ha ha. Can't see it. Hey, hot dog. On it, roller. How you doing? I'll make you a moderator too. Everybody gets a moderator on my channel. Yeah, it's cold tonight. It's not too bad. Yeah, stuff definitely charging. Moons, putting out some crazy energy these days. Some say petrification on. No, I don't. You know, the sun lights up the moon. The moon shines because the sun and the moon are very close. And when you got it when it goes to a new moon, which it's working its way to that right now, because we just had the full moon the other day. When it goes, even look at its stellarium. You look at the moon, look at the sun, when they're close together, it's always the moon's on top of the sun, and even in their program, because the moon goes. It's different than the sun a little bit. It goes when you can't see it, is because it's above it, and the light drowns it out. It's always above it. Not all the time. When it goes over the land, that's what happens. Oh shit. I'm opening the gate, Valley Parks. I hit the thing on accident. You know the big gate? We don't play around over here. We got a fort. It ain't Fortnite. Well, it is. It's a fort and it's at night right now. Thank you, Warren and Skydome. Thank you for being here. Yeah, I'll release this later. Hot dog on a roller. I am in right outside of Knoxville, Tennessee. Yeah. Yeah, like we're basically it's a ST, the bottom of the mountain and the whole sky. This, what does that say? This, the slopes of the mountainside. Yeah. Oops. What was that? Valley Parks? You check out some of the images of the flat Earth in my channel. See how it is into yours, your theory. You can kind of see it in my profile picture. Okay, I will have to check that out. Level Plane Productions. Let's go to your channel. Let's see how do I do that. Channel activity. What is that? No, not that. I don't want that. But I'll check it out. Oh, Niagara Falls, Canada. Well, can you see the moon there, hot dog? Lots of random pictures, but you think that the more recent videos. What do you have? What are you video with? Bright as hell, yeah. Can you see Jupiter? That would be great. Take some pictures of it. Because Jupiter and the moon and Jupiter right there. Look, you can almost see the little stars. It's getting right above me. It's getting really close. But there'll be conjunction here in August. Oh, what the hell? There's that. Nope, that's not it. But 2/22, Jupiter and the moon for sure. Because if everything is correct, on 2/22, Jupiter and the moon, you'll be able to take. I got a picture of Jupiter and the moon. It's very, very close. I was on the same focus. It's on one of my videos. Jupiter's there. You can see all of its little so-called moons. Plus, there was like 8 others there. No, it was like, I think there was 8 or a total of 9 of the moons of Jupiter that I got. And the moon, and they was both in focus at the same distance. One's 440 million plus miles away. One's 238,000 miles away. How does that work? My P900 says different. I want to get the P1000. That's my next thing. Thank y'all for the thumbs up. I appreciate that. Okay, the pictures are from USA Archives. People were sharing around years back. It's apparently from 1972 on a Russian V-2 rocket or something. Huh, okay. I'll have to check into that. So, anyway, yeah, starting to get close now. They're getting very close. It's not that far away. It'll probably happen on the West Coast when the sun and when the moon and Jupiter conjunction goes down. So I wish C. Lightning was here, or Mikey Smith. He was having a debate with Brenda last night. Oh, my groceries. I got a lot to ponder on with what I caught in the sky, yo. It's got my head freaking spinning right now. So it was in front of the moon. Y'all had witnesses. And plus I'll release this video later. And I did have that one thing, but I clarified that. I took that off, but there was that other object that we seen from the first round. I don't know what fell on my camera on that point, but yeah, definitely something was in front of that moon. I gotta go review my footage, yo. And it was like, yeah, that was weird. That was weird. It's got me thinking now. Because like I said, this is my third time capturing something like that. So it makes me think a lot about my observations and everything. You know, because that's what we're trying to do, is we're trying to figure out everything. Not everything is correct, what they say, that's for sure. Huh. Okay. Wow. I'm in deep thought, y'all. I don't know what to say. Ha. I'm going to read the comments here. Perspective you can see from the vantage is quite insane. How much? Yeah, because it's right above me, bro. If it's into the vibes of the cosmos and the shifting sun is one of the zodiac or flat works, 4 quarters theory. Well, I can't say that everything's four corners, but it might be. Just like the Bible says, sits on 4 pillars. It's stable and cannot be moved. Nothing's rotating underneath anybody's feet. I flat smack all the college students. They see my Flattoberfest badge that I put there, and they ask me, what's Flattoberfest? And I break right into the water theory. Because you know what? When it all comes down to it, you know, even the final experiment, I'm going to just go ahead and say it. It don't matter what you see down there. It's how the water is. Water can never, ever stick to anything that's spinning. And that's what I tell the college students. I said, look, it's from this small, it's like your wheel bearing on your car. It's got a race and it's got 2 seals. The seal breaks, the grease slings out, and then you have a fucked up car because your bearings are out, right? You got to fix it. Okay? It's the same way. Then I go straight to the washing machine. Now that's bigger, right? Put it on spin cycle. What happens? Woo! Swings that water off. Now you can go to keep on getting bigger. It don't matter how big the object is. it's going to do the same thing. No matter what. It don't matter about, oh, is the ether moving or anything? I mean, it does. But it's all about water. I go to the lake. There's Norris Lake up here. I go swimming at. Looks like the ocean. When it ain't been raining, you can see down 20, 30 feet. And it's blue. And it's crazy. It's so clear of a lake. It gets fed from a live stream, underground water source. I'm pretty sure. But you can get in there in the dam at the lake, and 4 or 5 miles away, you get in the water, and it's really not a lot of moisture up here because we're higher in the elevations. I mean, it is, but for some reason you can see across the lake. You get your eyes down 1 inch out of the water and look across the lake, and you can see the shoreline at 3, 4, 5 miles away easily. So even at that distance, 3 miles is 6 feet, I shouldn't be able to see any shoreline. Ha ha ha. We know that's a lie because it's flat. Water is flat in its container. Oh, you know what, Valley Parks? Did you grab your laser out of my truck? Maybe I can get the laser and shine it on the moon. No, I want to do that when it's like a quarter full or something. New moon, you know. And that's why I can shine it on the bright side. I bet you that laser would reach right up there, touch the heavens. Because it's not that far away. That's a pretty bright light. That's a pretty bright laser you have. Give me a second. Oh, sorry about that. No, it wasn't. No, not a lens flare. Valley Parks wasn't a lens flare. 4 corners like north, east, and south and west. There's north, and everything else from north is south. East and west is circles. It's the only way it works. Right, Valley? She knows. The final observation, Jonathan, no. It ain't no final of anything. Because, you know, it was like that 1958 Encyclopedia Britannica said that at such and such 90 degrees, blah, 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 at latitude, longitude, there was a dome at 13,500 and something feet. So I don't know. Boston Ray, yeah, the final controlled opposition and disinformation, yeah. You know, I talked to Whitsitt down there at Flattoberfest, and he agreed. I did the live, you know, whoever was watching, and I asked him a question. David Banner, you know, what an awesome show. Love his show. Shout out to him too. Our brother from the across the pond there. You know, it was awesome. But I asked him a question. Then he said it was about a production company. There's no production company going down there. I'm just hoping that it's clear where they go and they pay attention to their compass where they go. You know, if you can get that compass to work. Oh yeah, you need a southern compass, right? Is that what it is? Yeah, was that moon? I'm looking up her now. And, you know, just like I said, right above me, right here. Woo. Very close, yo. Let's see, you can zoom right in on it. This is a camera phone. Look at that. It's right there. I can play with me. And even look at it. I mean, you see the light coming off? And it's like stars. Look like, you know, it's got the angles and all that. It looks like a grid system almost, man. It's crazy looking. Look how that light comes around on that fucker. Yeah, it's weird. Now that's a flare. Look at that. That is crazy looking, yo. See it? How it is? It almost looks like our grid system, man. It's crazy. Could that be the dome? Yeah, even on a flat surface, that's right. Level plane. Even on a spinning flat surface, it would spin right off. Correct, sir. Valley Parks, no? What's up? Yeah, it might be in my truck in the passenger side. Oh, you was gifted that. Man, that's badass. Okay. I didn't know. You didn't tell me, girl. We should have got the side by side out. Fuck it. That's what we should have done. We could have just kept it on the pavement. Would have been okay. Level Plane Productions. Yeah, just subscribe to my channel and put a comment with a link. Okay? And I will definitely watch it. I'll watch everybody's stuff. Yeah, I would like to look at it for sure. Yeah, just like I said, just do that for me. Level plane. But like I said, y'all seen it. You know. Yeah. I got a good picture of the night sky right going on. Let me get a picture of this. Hang on. Look at that. Woo. Let's go back to that picture. But there's Orion's belt. See it? It's hard to see. Orion's belt right there. Jupiter there. Oh, I can't wait to blow that picture up on fucking... Oh, it's going to be badass. I'm going to put that on my thing. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Closer. I'm going to get the moon and Jupiter all in the same shot. Hang on a second. Pretty sure I can do that for y'all. Hang on a second. Trying to level out my camera because that's what I do. I just want to. Yeah, we would have got thrown out of the motel for too much fun. Uranus and the moon were close together about the time you were viewing. Really, Iron FE? You checking for me? That's awesome because I can't do it. I'm on my phone. If I go start checking everything, I can't. So, okay. I might have to check into that. Huh. That's got me thinking now, Iron FE. So you're checking into it for me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me get this picture. Let me line up my picture and I'll get y'all a picture. Yep. A level camera on the ball Earth points at the sky. That's funny. Wait a second. Okay. I think I got what we're looking for, yo. There's the moon, and there's Jupiter right there, okay? Look, they're getting very, very close. Look how the sky is lit up. And there is no clouds in the sky, yo. Zero. That's the noble gases lit up, man. Check that out. That's what I was saying. Let's see. Bam. Okay. So let's go back to that picture. Have a look, see. Let's see. Oh, there you go, right there. Look. It's showing everything, man. That's a badass picture right there, boy. Look at that shit. I cannot wait to see what that looks like on the big screen. Oh, that's gonna be bad to the bone. Let me go back to this. Let me turn down the lighting a little bit. Because that's what I need to do, I guess. Let's see. Let's see if I can get that. And it's still like that. Okay, so let me blow this up and have a look, see here what's really going on. Man, look at that. See, and I'm not showing the, I'm not, see, sometimes when you let the camera do its thing, it shows everything different than when you take a picture. Yeah, so let me get this. Hang on a second. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, get a little tighter. Just a little bit tighter. Let me see. Bam. Oh yeah. Yeah, because there ain't a cloud in the freaking sky. None. None at all. Okay, let me adjust my camera, guys, okay? Give me a second. Man, that moon, I'm telling you right now, is something else, what I'm seeing. Look, that's where I'm at. Almost all the way down. Oh, but I'm going to show you something. Pay very, very close attention. Remember where we were before? Everybody's been watching. Oh man, it's cold out here, yo. Now look at the camera now. It's like straight up and down, yo. The moon's right above me. Look at it, straight up and down almost. I'm at like a 90 or 88 degree tilt, and it's getting better all the time. What the hell was that? I just seen something. Oh, wait a minute. You ain't supposed to do that. It's like I'm almost 90 degrees up, man. So I need to do a little tilt. Hang on. Alright, so yeah. Look at that motherfucker, man. Look at the gases around it. The noble gases. Bam. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty bright. Oh, see, it's getting close. It's right there. Right there. Jupiter. I don't know. If I stay up late enough, I might be able to get it in picture. Look at that shit, man. That is crazy looking. Look at the sky. Wow. What's that? What's that? What was that? Hang on. Yeah, Jupiter's getting close, yo. So, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, yo, it's getting late. I know what I caught. Now I gotta download my stuff to get it figured out. I got some good pictures, good observations. I appreciate everybody being here. We got 14 thumbs up. None of y'all watching right now. I don't think we'd have got thrown out as long as we kept it on the road. Ha ha ha. I mean, what could they say? You know, Valley. I don't think they would have said anything. You know, it wouldn't have been any trouble for anybody. But I know you're all worried about it, like a worry wart. Ha ha ha. It's all good, girl. Much love. You know the program. I'll probably call you when I get done. So, you know, I don't know. I haven't. I'm going to go in and do a little tokey toke, you know, with the smoky smoke. But anyway, as y'all seen what's going on? I'm showing you. Everything's very close, and I appreciate everybody being here. Matrix Break, Iron FE, Valley Parks, Level Plane Productions, Boston Ray, Jonathan Kampala, right? Is that it? Hot dog on a roller. See who else is in here. Sue Finelli. Warning Sky Dome. Much love, yo. Let's see who else is in here. I'm trying to look. Got you already. Oh, Tony Drake. Hey. Nice, Tony. You know I made you a moderator, right? So you're good to go, brother. Boss Ray, we need to have a talk. I might come down to Florida, man. We'll do a show together. I got a good friend lives right there in Pensacola, so it's all good. So anyway, love to do it. Oh, NDB, I didn't even see you, man. What's going on, man? I didn't even see you, brother. What's up, brother? Hope you're still here, man. I didn't even see you in there, man. It's all good. Mojo Shop. I miss some action going on right there. I'm sorry about that. I'm still gonna release that video of me and you observing the moon down there at that meetup, NDB. Every time, you know, my internet, I'm fixing it in about a month and a half, I'll have high-speed internet. It'll be coming out a lot faster. So, Rune Dragon, yep, you too. Thank you. Raising Canes, thank you very much. Van Over Will, Voice Over Will. Thank you very much for coming in. You was the first one that came in. So, yeah, much love, everybody. I appreciate y'all coming in. When I get done, share this video. I've got to upload it now. I've got to do all that crazy stuff I need to do. It's going to say upload and all that shit. Then they got to go through it. They're not going to like what I said or what I show. But it could be that little moon that, but it's a star. Because like I said, I've already got it twice. I had a lot of people watching. But anyway, I'm going to take, let's do this. Before we go, I want to show y'all some wow. I'm sorry, I'll be back in a second. Hang on, give me a second, okay? not gonna do like I want. Man, you know, I gotta get me a better tripod. I'm just gonna tell you straight up. But anyway, Moon, Jupiter, and over here is the Three Sisters. Where's that at? Right there. And check that out. Mars over here. Right there's Mars. So, more stars over here. Can't really see it. That pole is right to the left of it. So, anyway, it's cold out here, yo. Okay, so your level plane projector, your phone does a long super exposure. It takes a whole bunch of photos over a 12-minute period, and the lights that come on the moon on the other night were wild looking, but you got a sweet setup. Thank you very much. You know, I just got a P900, man, and I got a cheap ass $200 Samsung phone. Ha ha. Okay, so minimum of 12 bunch of photos, but into one photo. That's nice. I like to see that. Valley Parks, it is. My hands are frozen. I've been drinking a beer, so grabbing that beer and it's cold, but I don't have to keep it in the refrigerator. Like I said, it's cold. I mean, we're high. I mean, we're, what, 1,200 feet? I'm 1,200 feet above sea level. You're about 14 or 15, I would say, up there in the mountains where you are. You're a little bit higher in the mountain than me. Ha ha. But yes, girl, it is cold out here. I'm gonna go inside and do a little warm take. Like I said, I was trying to do this thing with my cameraman, but my hands are so frozen right now, I can't even grab it. I grab it, but man, freaking freezing. It's like 38 degrees out here or something, I think. I'm not for sure. But anyway, much love, everybody. Keep it flat. Peace and chicken grease. FE Nation is out of the house. Y'all have a good night. Thank y'all for joining me. Keep it level. Later.